Welcome to my channel Kodamugen.
Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video, right, we have a new AI tool which has been designed from Google. So Snitch beta version has been released. So in this version, right, so the basic UI UX design can be done using this AI tool. So I have tested with few applications for mobile app as well as web. So it was working fine. Also in this video, right, I'll give some prompt to generate a design for a car selling app, and then we'll see how this particular design is being generated and how we can edit this one, and how the color themes can be changed. Okay, so this is the page. Once you log in, right, you'll go to this particular page. You'll have that option called new design. Here you can select for mobile application or web, or you have some AI assistant, right, generate design. You can give something and click here. I mean, the basic prompt you give here and then click on the generate design. Okay, so here if you see, right, today I have just created two apps, I mean mobile apps actually. One is for music streaming, another one is for web search engine actually. Also we have few examples here where it is predefined some examples, right, which has been given from the Snitch Google AI assistant actually. So now I have the prompt ready. I'll just give it. Okay, so if you see this prompt, right, I have clearly given what needs to be designed and what are my screens and what are the aspects to be added to this. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just given all the prompt and I'll just click on the generate design. So it will take some time to generate it because it will go through all your prompt including your screen and everything, and then it will generate the design. So it's, if you see here, right, it's loading, it's still designing. Just wait for us some time. Okay, so it will generate the design. I think it is taking some time as it is beta version, right? So we are using this standard mode of beta version. So we'll wait for a few minutes, let it generate. Meanwhile, what I'll do, I'll just show the other example that I've created. Let me refresh this page. I think this went off. Yeah, so depending upon your uh, internet or the speed, right, it will change actually. Okay, so now I'll click on this music streaming mobile application. So you can see here, so whatever I have given in here, right, these are the prompts and how my screens should look, how many screens should be there, what are the options it should have. So there are two things here. One is your, when you click here, right, so it will take you to the particular page, whatever design you want to do. If you want to click on edit, right, I mean if you want to edit something, you can click on edit and you can edit it. So if you want to convert it to Figma, right, so Figma is the UI UX designer portal where most of the web and UI applications will be designed here. So you can click on it, so it will transfer it. So now it will take a lot of time, that's why I'm not clicking it. So if you see, right, as per our prompt, right, so this will be the login. Once you log in, right, so your recommendation, whatever the new release, top playlist, so whatever you have played last time, right, all this information will come in here. You will have a home button, search your library, and then the second page will be browse all. Depending upon the genre that you want to choose in, right, you can search in here or you can select it. So this will be the player page. So whatever you're playing, right, that will come in here, and then this will be our library where you'll have your playlist, album, artist. So if you see all of this, right, we have just given in this particular prompt to generate it. So it has adapted that and it has completely designed. So we have not done anything. Okay, so I'll just show the search engine app also, so how this is being generated. So let me refresh it. I think every time when we come back, right, there is a glitch, it is not loading the prompt. So now I'll just click on this one. So this is the verbs search engine, like how our Google search engine works, right, for the app, right. So I have just given a design prompt here, like this you can design it. So if you see here, you have a search, I mean the indication is giving, I mean the title search. You can search whatever you want. You have a search button, you have a home, search, save button, and then your profile. So this design, right, it will automatically do. So when you click on this code, it will be able to give you the code as well. So how this particular page has been generated. So if you see, right, this is giving the code. So if you click on this Figma, it will redirect you to the Figma where you will be able to see the Figma design. So there, you if you want to align it, right, as per your project, or if you want to change it, you can do it. Okay, so now what we'll do, so whatever we try to create it, right, let me see whether that got created or not. I think it is taking longer time than usual. So I'll just give this particular prompts, right, whatever I have given. It will be useful. I mean, to create any app, you can go through this, and then if anything new that you need it, right, you can edit this particular prompt itself as per your application, and you can use it. So this is a very useful AI assistant which we have got from Google. So in many cases, right, I have tried to convert it into Figma design. So I was able to convert it, even the code details also, right, it was able to give the basic page, I mean every page, right, it is able to give the title, how we can generate a particular page. So what is your code, what you need to do, all this information was giving. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe and like to my channel. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.
Like, share, subscribe to my channel.